JDL-280 water gas dual-use series drilling rig is independently developed by Shandong Beiyang Group, which integrates water-gas drilling function into one well drilling equipment. Diesel power is used. The borehole diameter is 75350 and the borehole depth is 280 meters. 1. Transmission efficiency is 2 times higher than hydraulic transmission. Power consumption is reduced by 35%. More efficient and energy saving. 2. Improve drilling efficiency and reduce the occurrence of drilling blockage and combustion accidents. 3. The drilling rig adopts a long travel speed, doubling mechanism and a mechanical power head.